Welcome to week 13's homework video. So the first thing you'll see is to practice your phonograms. There'll be a quiz next week, so be prepared for that. Number 3, it says here to work on your phonics lesson plan. That's due Sunday. So make sure you have enough materials to teach 2 other peers in class. Okay, and bring all of that stuff with you. Number 4. It says you're going to be learning about vocabulary. So the first one is that I gave you a handout called the Freyer model, and you're going to put that on page 118. If you weren't there to get the handout, there's the link there. Also, what my notebook looks like. So generic, just glued it in. The next one says read and take notes on this article. It's called Robust Vocabulary Part 1. When you open this article up, it's pretty short. It's only part 1 of it. But I want you to take notes on why is vocabulary important, and also what are the 3 tiers of words. And I also handed out a tab on vocabulary. So on the top part of this tab is where you're going to take notes on why is vocabulary important. And then underneath it, you'll see the 3 tiers. I'd like you to take notes on what is each tier and some examples of words from each tier. Okay. You'll notice on the bottom section, there's a place for you to take notes on the video. And so I want you to watch this video right here of Anita Archer. She's kind of a guru for explicit instruction and vocabulary. And when you watch the video, it's longer than what you need to watch the whole thing. Just watch how she teaches one word, discard. And if you would please put down, like, what are all of her steps, even minute little ones? What steps did she use to teach discard? Okay, put those on that note sheet, and you're going to be turning in the Freyer model 118 and then the notes on the tab 119. Okay, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later.